Polly, what's the use? Lazy Lucy. Working very hard to find an easy way. It's so crazy, keeping busy, being lazy.
And with the spring-summer collection, here is our model Jasmine in a very simple outfit with a very big hat for going to the cinema, if you want to be sure the people behind you don't get to see the film.
Can I play?
Paul, please would you knock before you come in? I've asked you loads of times.
But this is my room.
And it's mine as well. Do me a favour. Please knock on your door before you come in.
Oh.
Right this way. Jasmine, how many times am I going to have to ask him? If I have to keep saying the same thing over and over again, I'm going to be exhausted. There has to be a lazier way. Oh, yes! Of course, that's it!
What are you doing? Please knock on the door before coming in. Perfect.
And presenting...
I want to play with my toy fox.
Paul, what can you see on the door?
A little blackboard. Not his fault. He's too little. He can't read yet.
That means we're going to have to find another way. I've got it! This is bound to work! 1, 2. Please knock on the door before you come in. This way I won't have to say the same thing all the time. Paul! Would you come in here, please, Paul? Whoa!
What do you want?
Oh.
A party? Fantastic, Lucy.
Quick, we have to rewind the tape. There, that's it. Oh, no, what's happening? Oh, stop!
Is the party finished? I'd say it's the tape that's finished.
We'll have the party later. When I found another idea.
Polly.
Oh!
Polly, Polly. Polly. Polly, Polly.
Of course, Mrs. Pringle's pet parrot. That has to be the answer.
Lucy, that's an excellent idea. Polly hates being alone, and I've shopping to do. You'll get on fine. He's a chatterbox.
Chatterbox.
Chatterbox? I like your parrot already. Polly, your mission is to tell Paul to knock on the door before coming in. Repeat after me. Please knock on the door before coming in.
Please, knock on the door before coming in.
Yes, well done, Polly.
Jasmine, would you go out and come in?
Jasmine, would you go out and come in, Jasmine?
Lucy, I get the impression he repeats the last thing he hears anyone say.
Anyone
Children?
say?
Come and see what I've made. A lovely apple tart.
Thanks very much, Mum. But would you mind speaking more quietly, please?
What?
Polly mustn't hear what you say.
Oh, Polly?
Oh.
Toto, my name's Titi. We're the best of friends.
My cartoon, Lucy.
Here. Good. The house is absolutely silent. Please, come in without knocking on the door.
Please come in without
No,
knocking on the
that's not
door.
all you're supposed to say, Polly. You have to repeat. Please knock on the door before you come in. Please knock on the door before you come in. Please knock on the door before you come in. Maybe it wasn't such a good idea after all. I suppose we'd better take Polly back to Mrs. Pringle's.
Please, knock on the door before coming in.